Good morning. Today I'm going to talk about our San Diego Red Bougainvillea. That's what I know it as. You can also call it a Scarlet O'Hara Bougainvillea, but they are, from what is commonly known or often said as, the most vigorous and cold hardy variety of bougainvillea that grows in Southern California. So this is a South American native. It will grow 15 to 30 feet in no time. Ours is about 10 years old, I'd say now, and it gets full sun and low to medium water usage, so it has like 3 drippers, I think. But ours is approaching, whoa, easily about 20 feet. You could hear hummingbirds. There's one right above me. They like this plant. Ours is at least, I would say, 20 feet tall and in about a decade. It is hardy to 20 to 25 degrees, and it does attract butterflies, hummingbirds, birds in general, and it does well in both seaside and desert conditions. So the only bummer about this plant, or the thing you got to be cautious of, are there are some gnarly spines here. You can see ours is at its ugliest right now, but you can see it's pretty minor. So let's see, come on. Get in there, good view. There we go, sorry. So you see the big spines, really large spines, lots of new growth. It's dropped some foliage here with the cold weather, but it's gonna bounce right back. And as you can see, it's got blooms almost year round. I would say during the Santa Ana time, August, September, October, you'll kind of also have a lot of loss of leaves and few flowers. But again, this thing is awesome. If you want a bougainvillea to climb around your yard, I would recommend this one, especially if you live in Southern California. Many of our other varieties in the yard have totally defoliated and lost all their leaves compared to this one. You could see. Again, this is like when it looks its worst in the winter, and it looks about the same in the summer and during Santa Ana at the end of summer, like I said, fall. So you can see all the blooms. It has plenty of blooms here. It's not a problem, but just some of the leaves are sparse. So it's dropped a lot recently. So what I'd like to do is this is a good time to prune all this back and prune it back. And we like to mound this plant kind of in the shape of a big tall mound, about a 10-foot mound. So pretty cool. There you go. There is our bougainvillea, known as a San Diego Red Bougainvillea, or you could call it the Scarlet O'Hara Bougainvillea. But it's excellent, tolerates most soil easily, and as long as you give it some drainage, and it'll be happy. All right, there you go. Give us a like and subscribe. Take care. Dude, it's creepy.